Good morning all. Welcome to Braintree, the Knowledge Hub YouTube channel. My name is Sujit. In this YouTube channel, I am going to publish computer science, programming languages, artificial intelligence, machine learning, technical support, competitive exam videos which are very useful to grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, BTech, BSc, BCom students. So please subscribe Braintree, the Knowledge Hub YouTube channel. Thank you. Yesterday we have seen about a specific command called select, and we also seen about the importance of this select command, right? And now today we are going to discuss in depth about this select command. This is a very useful command, though this is the select command, and most of the questions you will get 1 mark questions or 2 marks questions from this select command only. So yesterday we have seen about the syntax of the select, and we have seen about the star means all the columns, and distant that finds the unique records, to find a unique records we use this distinct keyword. Okay, then we have also seen the the column list. What are the column list we have to mention? Then and we have seen the example of the table, how to display the other columns, right? And see, in this example we are declaring we are displaying the star means from star means all the records, so it is displaying the all the records. This specific statement is explaining about the displaying of all the records, right? Then uh, making simple queries, we will make many simple queries using this select command, right? And to find a specific columns, we'll use a column list also. That is also we have seen in this example. See this example here, we are displaying select name comma city from the student, so that two columns will be displayed. This is city and this one is name column. Okay, and the second example, the order is it's your wish. You can give in the order of like a table. When you are creating the table, first you given the name followed by the other columns, and the last column is city. It's not mandatory to mention the same order, it's your wish. We can mention in different order also, the values will be displayed. Okay, so simple queries they'll ask if for 1 mark question. Okay, Nana. Then the importance of this very important command we have learned, the importance of the distinct key term. This is very important key term, distinct key term. So this key identifies unique records. See this example, in this example, first time when we are displaying, and we return select city from student, right? So, and coming to the second one, we used the key term, distinct key term. So there is a difference between these two queries. Select city from student will gives the list of it is giving the list of all the names, even they are repeated. See this specific area, these two are repeated. Yes, even it is repeated, it is showing the records. Okay, coming to the second one, the distinct key term eliminates the duplicate values. It eliminates the duplicate values. See the number of records here is, in the first example we have number of records that are 1 2 3 4 5 records are there, right? Coming to the second one, distinct key term we have used. Now see the answer, what the answer you are getting. The answer you are having no repetitions. Mumbai is repeated twice. That will that the distinct key term identifying only unique cities. This, see this one, unique cities will be displayed. This is very important. Note down this note. You'll get a 1 mark question from this distinct key term, from this distinct key term. Okay students, okay, you to identify unique records will use a distinct key term. And not only that, we can also do calculations. We can also do different calculations, doing simple calculations. and using alias names. The select is having a it is meant for finding the records, like we can write the queries using select command only. Most of the questions you will get with the help you're going to get from the select command only. Like they want to display the column list. If you want to display the column list, then you have to use the star or column list, the names of the column. In this example, we are doing a simple calculation, just finding the multiplication between the two numbers 4 into 3. Coming to the second one, in this example, see this example carefully, students. In this example, we have only we have written the name, this is a column name, and we have mentioned the column salary is multiplied with 12, so that we can find out the 1 year salary, that is annual salary. To find annual salary, we are multiplying with 12. So we can do the multiplications or addition, subtraction, simple calculations we can do with the help of select command. And not only it is also used for using column alias. We can name that particular column with other name, it is a temporary name. See the same example, select name salary from student, select name salary from student, select name comma salary into 12 as column name. We are giving annual salary within the single quotations or double quotations. You have to mention, you have to remember, we have to mention in single quotation and double quotation. Okay, as is not a mandatory one, means the rename for that particular column, it is a temporary one. So without as also the name will be displayed. If you are not mentioning the name, then the column will be displayed, then the column will be displayed with the name called salary, with the name called salary into salary, okay, with the name called salary into salary multiply with 12. This is the column you are going to get. If you are not mentioning if you are not mentioning the alias name, to overcome this problem we will use alias name, students. Okay, so that is the use of alias names, right? And to find out the calculations, we also use dual table. We can also use dual table, like pi value, finding mathematical constants, and a few functions also present in mathematical functions also. Dual function, not dual functions. Dual table will displays the values of constants, right? So dual is a table name where we can do the different calculations, students. Okay, we'll do many calculations. We are doing the calculation division operation, and we are naming with pi from dual table. Okay, when alias name is a single word, then single quotation is not required. If it is a single name, then it is not required to mention single quotations or double quotation. Very very important note, students. Note on this note, it's not mandatory to mention the single quotation if it is a single word. If it is having more than one words, then we have to mention the column name. Okay, then selecting the specific rows. Next one is selecting the specific rows with the help of where class. With the help of where class, if we have any conditions, we will use a where class. If you are mentioning a specific columns, then we have to use where class. See in this example, we can select the specific records by specifying the column, by specifying the condition with the where class. Where is meant for mainly specifying the conditions. See in this example, what we are doing is we are select star from student where city is equal to Mumbai, where city is equal to Mumbai. So this is the line we are applying. Generally we will write select star from student, then after that we have to apply where class, where whatever the condition is there, that condition. City is equal to Mumbai, only Mumbai city values will be displayed. According to the table, we have a duplications, two records are there, that city are Mumbai, and we are displaying that records are S4 and S5 student IDs. Okay, then not only equal to operator, we can also use greater than, less than operators also. Okay, so this is the area will put a condition. This is the area we are we are using a condition. See class greater than 10, less than 10. Okay, select name comma fname city from student where class greater than 10, means 11th and 12th student details will be displayed in this query, so where class will have a multiple users, we can apply with different operators. That is our main concept to today's concept, right? So where we have to use this where class will be used whenever there is a condition. Whenever there is a condition, we'll use where class. So where classes will be used with relational operators. They can be used with different operators, relational or arithmetic operators also. Generally we will use with relational operator. Arithmetic operators are used for calculation and making changes in the tables, right? Then we can also use with logical operators. Tell me, what are the relational operators? Relational operators are operators which which generally used for checking the conditions. They are generally used for checking the conditions, okay, right? Okay, and the relational operators are used for comparing two values or more than two values. So the relational operators are, the first relational operator is these are the set of relational operators. These are the different sets of relational operators. Okay, is equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. See this simple, students. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to symbol is different. This symbol is having small difference. Greater than or equal to, greater than separate, equal to separate, less than or equal to, less than separate, equal to separate. And most of the students are doing the mistakes, that is they are writing in the form of, first they are writing is equal to followed by the greater than symbol, or else is equal to less than symbol. This is completely wrong, student. Don't use this operators in wrong. Don't apply the wrong syntax for these operators. First write out the operator followed by the is equal to symbol, right? So this is equal to operator is used for checking both values are equal or not, right? We will use only single is equal to in in MySQL to compare the both the values, right? Then also we can use is equal to assign based on the specific area. We'll use is equal to, okay. Then less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. See this important symbol, this is very important symbol. So that is greater than less than combination. What does it mean? It is not greater than, it is not less than, means it is equivalent to is equal to operator. The it is equivalent to not equal to operator, not is equal to, it is equivalent to not equal to operator. We have a not equal, we can represent not equal to operator with the help of less than and greater than, or else we can use not symbol followed by the not symbol followed by the equal to. This is also not equal to symbol, okay. and and is like or pattern matches. These are very useful concepts. You will get 1 mark, compulsory 1 mark question from this, specifically like between. Like between is, will get definite question, students. This is very important one. You will get definite question from like pattern matchings. I'll discuss about the pattern matchings, pattern matchings later. And between is used for checking in between one salary to other salary, minimum value to maximum value. So these are the relational operators. Logical operators are the operators which are used for comparing more than two conditions. Got it? These operators are used to comparing more than two conditions. Where is used for checking the single condition. If we have both the condition between, is also used. So then we'll go with and or not. We'll go with and or not. And or not. And or not. We can write the terms, or else we can go with the symbols also. The symbol for and is, and or and not. The symbol for or is two pipe symbols. Two pipe symbols we'll use for or, and we'll use and symbol. You know and symbol, students? Yes, generally we write this symbol. We can use and double and, okay. And symbol, I want to draw that and symbol. I don't have a frame, okay. So and symbol is, this is a symbol for and, okay. So we can use the symbols, or else we can go with the name also. This is a and symbol, students. Okay, two and symbols, and not is a symbol. That symbol is exclamatory mark we can use. So these are the symbols we'll use, or else you can write the word. It's a better thing is writing the word or and not. Okay, students. Then then this select command, where class can we can apply multiple conditions. See this example, I want to display the name and city of the students whose city is Mumbai and class is greater than 10. Display the list of the students whose city is Mumbai and class is 11th and 12th, or else class is who are studying in senior secondary. Then answer is select name comma, everybody knows they given display name and city. So then whenever the display statement is given or a list is given, list the number of employees and number of students, then we'll use the name, select name comma city from student, where see we don't have a single condition here, we have multiple conditions, students. We have multiple conditions. Two conditions are merged with and. So what are the two conditions? The first condition is city is not Mumbai, who is not studying in Mumbai. Then the class is greater than 10, means 11th and 12th grade students. So this is the operator called what? Not. Okay. Then it displays the list of students, those are not studying location city Mumbai and whose class is more than 10, that is 11 and 12 students. Okay, same example with the employee table. So here I am displaying with the help of an or operator, not operator also used. So in the second example, display the employee details whose salary is more than 10,000 and the job is manager. Then the query is select star from employee. Star means all the records where salary greater than. See, we are using two operators, one is equal to, other one is greater than. One is equal to, other one is greater than. Two operators are merged with the help of or operator. So logical operators are mainly used for comparing more than one conditions. Okay, salary greater than 10,000 or job, anyone, if among these two conditions any one condition is satisfied, then it is going to display. Even if the job is manager, the list of the managers including the other employees whose salary is more than 10,000, it is going to display. If we are used and, then it will display the list of the employees who are satisfying both the conditions. If any one of the condition is true, then only it is going to display, that is OR operator. You learn operators in Python also. We will discuss that in Python. Okay, now I want to display the student details whose grade is not A, means who is not getting A, or else display the employee details whose grade is other, means not A means B, C, D, E grades will be displayed. Okay, then we'll use a not operator here. So where can be used within operators also. Generally we'll use this where condition with where class with relational operators, only one condition is there. Logical operators if more than one condition is there. See students, we can use bitwise also. Suppose I want to display the list of employee details whose salary is more than 10,000 less than more than 10,000 less than 5,000, then the operator between will be used. This operator, that is between operator, we can use in such cases. Then we'll write in similar way, select star from employee where salary greater than 10,000 and salary less than 5,000, it works. Or where salary between 5,000 and 10,000, that is also works. So in two ways we can write this answer. Okay, Nana.